Dear friends, welcome to our channel. Prepare to be mesmerized by 3D art brought to life by pure mechanical means. This is not just your average screen display. It is a tangible, breathtaking spectacle, powered by gears, springs, and ingenious engineering. Welcome to the Kinetic Rain, a breathtaking art installation that once graced Singapore's Changi Airport Terminal 1 in 2014. Used over 600 individual aluminium drops, each one meticulously controlled by hidden motors, performed a mesmerizing ballet of rise and fall. Watch closely, and you will see how these seemingly simple drops come together to form intricate waves. Shimmering like a golden waterfall, the effect is almost hypnotic. It's like a living, breathing organism, constantly evolving before your eyes. Sadly, the Kinetic Rain no longer graces Changi Airport in Singapore. But its memory lives on in the hearts of travelers like me, who witnessed its magic. That is the power of imagination taking physical form. Dear friends, thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more mind-blowing creations. We really appreciate your support. Thank you.